The legal fight over Ottawa County's top health official continues. Today, a state appeals court ruled Adeline Hambley rightfully holds the role. And tonight, we're hearing from both sides. Our Matt Whitkos is in studio with more. Matt?
Jamie, Ottawa County's legal team maintains that Adeline Hambley isn't Ottawa County's health officer, and they plan to appeal to the Michigan Supreme Court to prove it. Meanwhile, Hambley's attorney is optimistic with today's opinion, but is itching to get to the trial court to see what arguments the county has for firing her client. A two-prong opinion issued Thursday by 3 appeal court judges. First, that Adeline Hambley is Ottawa County's health officer, and second, the county commission can fire her with cause. Hambley's attorney is pleased with the first ruling.
And that they had no right to fire her or demote her on day one. So we were extremely pleased about that outcome.
Ottawa County's corporate counsel pleased with the second.
We're quite pleased that the court recognized the rights of the county board.
But this opinion is just a piece of a larger lawsuit. In February, Hambley sued the county and several commissioners after they moved to demote her the day they were sworn in.
Oh, it is a significantly expanded case since February.
Hambley's attorney, Sarah Howard, now hopes to get the expanded case back in trial court.
I think the important part, as the judges referred to yesterday, is that really the trial court should be the person in charge of reviewing recent fact developments and deciding how we're going to proceed and if they can proceed. And we've now been sent back to the trial court.
Separately, one of Ottawa County's attorneys, David Coleman, shared with Fox 17 he plans to appeal the ruling on Hambley's role to the state's top court.
We don't think a board can change through a resolution what the board actually voted on, that one chairperson can change what the full board did. So at this point, we plan on appealing that ruling, that part of the ruling.
While we wait for what's next, the Ottawa Impact Majority Board is moving forward with a removal hearing for Hambley, something the appeals court says they can. She's accused of incompetence, misconduct, and neglect of duty during the county's budgeting process.
One part we were very pleased with, and the court agreed with us, which is that MCL 4611, the statute that can be used to remove a health officer, that our clients have the right to utilize that statute and to hold a hearing and to do what they're doing.
County commissioners will effectively act as the jury.
Witness she wants to call. Obviously, the only people she can't call would be us, the corporate counsel. I mean, you can't call opposing counsel, and there'd be attorney-client privilege, obviously. And we don't believe she can call any of the commissioners as witnesses because they're the triers of the fact. They're the ones making the decision.
Whether or not they are proceeding on an intent to find a just cause to fire her, an actual reason supported by evidence that would justify removing her, and then what the procedures are going to be.
The hearing is set for October 24th. The county has planned it for to stretch over to the 25th. In studio, I'm Matt Whitkos, Fox 17 News.